Assalamu Aleikum, my lovely friends and family. Hope you are all in the best state of health with sound Iman. Welcome to IWHAT 8080 Kitchen. In today's video, Bihidinillahi Tahaallah, we are going to be sharing with you how we make this juicy, tasty and delicious chicken piri piri. So let's begin. Bismillah. Kindly watch to the end because this recipe has a lot of twisting and turning to it that make it a successful one. The first ingredient and the main one is the chicken. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 2.5 kg of leg and thigh of chicken. After cleaning the chicken with lemon and salt, next is to make slashing on the chicken. This is to enable the chicken to absorb more flavor and to make it cook evenly. Once that is done, start adding your seasoning. I start by adding the tropical aroma, about 1 teaspoon. Follow it up by adding the Portuguese PiRi PiRi seasoning. I used about 1 tablespoon. After that, I add 1 tablespoon of minced herb and I begin to mix well. After doing all those mixing, oh my god, my hand is aching. But anyway, I pack the chicken, put them in the tray and set it aside. Then I did a little bit of cleaning. You don't want to cause contamination. You have to be very careful, especially when you're handling raw chicken. Once I finish cleaning the countertop, I can now start prepping the sauce. I'll be chopping 1 medium size of onion, ginger and a handful of garlic. While prepping that, it's time to put the chicken in the oven. It's been 30 minutes since it has been marinated. A saucepan or pot was put on the cooker while the chicken go in the oven. Little bit of oil was added to the pan, about 100 ml, while I add the ginger, garlic and onion to fry. You let that fry for like 2 minutes. Do you see the price is £1.45 and I've got 3 of them. It was rescued from Olio, so but the kids are not using it, so I'm going to turn it into what they would like. Add in the 3 salsa sauce, which is 600 grams in total. Mix well and let it fry while I prep the other ingredients. You will not believe that I cook this vegetable with chicken and they end up eating all the chicken and leaving the vegetable. But no worries, so good and good. I know what to do. That is the turn and twist that I'm telling you about. Anyway, add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes or chili powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of minced herb. Mix well and add in those blended vegetables. At this stage, you can blend any vegetable of your choice, or you can just slice and dice the vegetable and add it to the sauce. After 5 minutes of cooking, off the heat. It's been 30 minutes since the chicken has been cooking in the oven. Now it's time to remove the stock. After that, turn the chicken. After finishing with the turning and the twisting, I put it back in the oven for additional 30 minutes. Subhanallah, I always make a mistake. I want to get the oil, then I want to go and get this. Do you experience this as part of your FND symptoms where you mix things up? Anyway, the 30 minutes is over and the chicken is out of the oven. Can you see how delicious it looks? Next is to cover the chicken with the sauce. If you manage to watch the video up to this point, that means you are really interested in the recipe. So please kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get more recipe, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload new recipe or new video. Anyway, the next thing to do is to cover the chicken with foil paper and put it back in the oven and let it bake between 20 and 30 minutes. Mashallah, the aroma is so nice. Alhamdulillah. Next is to decide what we are going to be eating this with. At this point, what do you suggest we eat this with? Or what would you like to eat this with? Anyway, I cook little rice, so we are going to be serving it with rice. Does it look nice? What about the taste? You haven't tried it. I'll give you a plate. This is a plate for you. Okay. Which one looks juicy? This one. I told this to you. Okay. I can get leg on fire. Yes, you can get light. I am cold then. Fuck. Subhanallah. What about if I'm doing live that you're doing use effort? Okay. That's what little chef served for himself. He's not in a good mood today. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. With this, we leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love, IWHAT, and don't forget to keep smiling.